I'm Kai from Flamenco Explained, and we are going to look at our Tangos pattern, which we looked at very slowly in part one of this particular series. And here we're going to look at the same pattern. We're just going to speed it up a little bit, and then we're going to add one more pattern. The right hand pattern that we've been looking at is golpe, or not, depending on your guitar. Up with the index, down with the middle, down with the index, right? 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and. That's the basic pattern until the very last measure when we do 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and. And if you're unclear about this, watch the Tangos 1 video because they break it down a little more slowly. So with our chord progression, D minor 7, C 7, B flat 7, A, D minor, C, B flat, A, we're just going to do this a little faster. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to add a variation. Same thing in the left hand, but in the right hand, rather than doing this gallopy 1 and a 2 and a 3 pattern, we're going to do 1E and a 2E and a 3 and 4 and. So 2 beats of 16th notes, which are 3-finger rasgueados, 1E and a 2E and a 3 and 4 and. Same pattern throughout until we get to the last A, where we will turn it around and do 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to sound like this. And now I'm just going to play both of them in context with a little bit of regular tangos compás, just so that you can hear what these would sound like in context. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.